So guys, we just got home and the fridge exploded. There's water all over the floor. What happened? Look. So wet, but it is this is so bad. Look at all the water. It's in the carpet. We're gonna have to clean the carpet after all this is clean. And it just keeps going. It's so bad and it's leaked all the way to the stairs. And it's got to the stairs. It made the stairs soaking wet. It's like it's a flood.
We have a flood in
Our fridge flooded our house. And the carpet might be ruined. We'll have to do a cleaning crew. Look, when you step, oh my gosh, it's so satisfying. Okay, do we need towels to okay guys, we need to get some towels. We have to use rags, that's all we have. All we have is rags. Yeah, that's a small towel. That's a rag. I guess we'll just use a few rags. We need to help. Okay, we got them. Now let's get them to soak up. It's just everywhere. This one hasn't gotten it. Yeah, this is bad. Let's just keep adding towels.
Yeah.
And our carpet is soaking wet.
Oh, what are we doing? It's literally going through the walls outside.
It is?
It's going outside.
Well, that's good that it's actually going outside and not in here. Guys, we have a small problem. We ran out of towels. Look at this colorful floor. Clean up this floor. We need it to all get out. Okay, we need to get more rags. Get more rags. Yeah, we have rags, but we don't have towels anymore. Guys, we need another towel or the TV's gonna flood. It's worse than I thought. It's so deep. It's at least a few inches. I just have to keep getting more towels, and it shouldn't be that bad. I'm just gonna get around the stairs. It's like so hard. It got the stairs. Here, I'll show you. Guys, it got the stairs. They're like soaking.